Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, June 7th. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my left is the time and sales. You can see the E-mini S&P trading at 2432 or so. It was a pretty good day for the auto trader today. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, we had some really solid performance today in the auto trader. First up is the NASDAQ on the Super Inco 10 tick. This hit its goal of 2,000. This is trading 3 contracts. You can see our equity curve starting early in the morning. We basically went up the whole day. There was hardly any pullbacks. Uh, there was only one losing trade right here at about 10:35, and you can see by the equity curve that all these trades are winning trades. So it looks like we had 7 or 8 winners and only one loser. Probably what made the day was this back-to-back short and a long. And as I've said many times before, it would be very, very difficult for anyone to catch a move of this size short and then reversing to the long side and catching such a move. Next up is the crude oil on a 500 tick line break chart. There was a stellar short trade right at the news announcement. This went short on our limit order at the close of the bar. You can see our settings here on our line break chart. It's the close of the bar minus 1 tick. We were filled, as you can see right here. Prior to that, we had a couple of small losers back to back, and then we caught this entry here, and we went short at 47.66 and then covered down here at 46.60. That's 106 ticks on 2 contracts. So that was a spectacular trade of a full 100 points in the or 100 ticks in the crude oil, and really shows how valid the line break algorithm is. Up next is the DAX and the Super Inco 14 tick. The DAX has always been consistent for us. Modest gain of 537.50 in the DAX, trading 2 contracts. Okay, another line break chart. The E-mini S&P on a 5,000 tick line break had a stellar short trade here. This is trading 3 contracts, and we're not using the precision trend exit for the trades. Therefore, we did not exit here when the bars reverse. So this is an option on the auto trader to have it both ways. You can exit when the bars turn blue, or you can actually set the parameters to not exit at a change of direction as you do here. So that is one of the ways we solve the problem of getting whipsaws in a pullback like this. So this worked very well. We had this stellar short trade, short at 24.3275, and then covered down here at 26. Given the ranges of the ES, that's pretty good to make 5 or 6 points. Anyway, this did 1162.50, and mind you, that's really great for the E-mini S&P. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 6 tick. This is the line break algorithm on a Super Inco 6 tick chart, and this did 550 for the day. That's 44 ticks in the E-mini S&P on 2 contracts, and we just had a single long trade. We got filled on our limit order, as you can see here, and then we were stopped out by time at the close. We were short and exited right at 4 p.m. So that just gave us a little bit more there, but this is a great return on this chart. Next up is the E-mini S&P on just a straight 6 range chart. This did 312.50 for the day, which is great for the E-mini S&P. And this is the chart that you've seen now quite a bit, that I'm just scaling out at 4, 6, and 8 ticks, and the last contract is a runner. And so you can see here on this trade, here we scaled out at 4, 6, and 8 ticks, and then the runner made another point or so right here. So this demonstrates the flexibility you have in your setups to go for short or longer profit targets. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.